Hi! Hi
Hello.
guys! So akong guest today is si Renolith Cataluna! So,
Welcome to Rush Vlog.
yeah, Rush Vlog. So, namin diri sa River Valley. Looks so beautiful.
Yeah.
And going winter na, mo na
Yeah.
wala na dahon. So, fall pa karon.
Then lagas na ang mga puan.
Yeah. So, very short rin ni siya nga interview sa ako ang amiga from Dumaguete. We're churchmates, workmates.
Wala interview jud ko.
Yeah. So, interview person with me. Sige na rin. Unsa may mga realizations nimo katong naa na ka diri sa Canada?
That life is not that easy here sa Canada.
Why not easy?
Daghan kag dapat i-consider, and then mo back to basic yun ka, like if for example daghan kay kag skills in the Philippines hindi na mo matter sa ilaha.
Yeah.
So kinahanglan sa gid ka mo start from scratch, then show them what you can do, what you've got. Then, yeah, that's it. And then, limited as a student kay limited working hours. Kung nag-start na og classes, so it's just you can only work at 24 hours, so which is dili gid siya easy.
Og di po siya enough to
Di
sustain,
siya
no?
enough to sustain. So, kinahanglan jud ka og daghan ka og kuan.
Korta.
Joke lang, funds.
Daghang kag back
Daghan
up.
kag back up. So, kumbaga, yeah, it's a good thing solo ko, pero mas lisod kung solo.
Yeah.
Kay if naapaunta imong spouse, makaano unta, maka-balance bitaw. When it comes to all your expenses, then plus mag-pay pa ka tuition fee sa imong school.
Correct.
Yeah, so
Makaano gyud siya ang Canada. It's a humbling experience.
exactly. So kung
to be
unsay
here.
wala nimo nabuhat sa Philippines, like kung before gabuhay
Disney
ano
princess.
ka gabuhay madam ka or what, ka coffee ka and all, most of your time there is different. So like every day ga work ka dapat, pero na-apply times na wala kay schedule.
Yeah, gustuhin man mag-work pero
Gustuhin
walay
man,
work.
but wala. Pero anyways, the good side kay ang imong taxes na ginabayad may
Mabalik.
mapuntahan, mabalik sa inyo ha. So
Yeah.
healthcare mo gyud na ako ang maingon na like there are times nga mo give up na ko, but then gahuna-huna ko nga I wanted my family to come here para ma-experience mo nila ang healthcare and education. Well, anyways, dili naman pud good ni about me and my husband. It's about my children's future na po. So,
Okay.
na gyud mo sacrifice.
Yeah, ang tax ma-feel good kay diri raman ata sa Alberta ang
Yes.
naay free healthcare.
Yeah, so katong
Right.
nanganak ko with my fourth child, wala. Wadyo ko gibayaran. And
Ano
then,
lang,
overflowing
Uber lang.
pag yun. Overflowing pag yun ang blessings because
Yeah.
there were a lot of people na manghatag og ingon aning ana. So wala ko gigasto.
Daghan
lang.
mag-donate. You know, daghang Filipino communities na willing to help.
Yes. Oo. So it's important na if ganahan jud, if like mag-decide jud mo anhi, na jud we let go. Like
Pride.
willing gid ka na
Let go sa
imong
pride.
Kay kung sa Pinas ingon ani ka, ingon ana ka like how do you call this,
Comfortable life.
mutok ba ka or like you're too comfortable. Dinhi kay dili nimo mabuhat maski pag ganahan na ka. Kay kinahanglan magyud nimo para pag ka nang daghang mga ano ba, daghang kinahanglan, daghang grist if ingon ani mong buhaton, ingon ana. I don't know, maybe kung maanhi mo din makasabot ra pag unsa ko gid.
Yeah. So murag ang Canada man god beautiful gyud siya nga country. Pero behind the scenes kaning mga ga-work like ako healthcare aid, si Ren student pa siya pero she's cashier. What else? Wala pa na siya nakatry mag-cashier.
No, nakatry na ko sa Pinas.
Sa Pinas.
Katong work, part-time working.
Oh, tama di ay.
Part-time student.
Ako pod na ako sa healthcare ron pero ibang level na siya nga healthcare kay bedside jud me and mag jud mig ilo og tai. Pero very fulfilling siya nga trabaho. So basta pag mo ari mo Canada, number 1, be humble, and number 2, consider others better than yourselves. Nagina sa Bible. And let go of your pride. Number 3, then number 4, have faith sa future because it's very uncertain coming here. Ang IRCC, they keep on changing mga rules,
policies and all. So,
yeah.
But timingan ko nga dili na nako madala akong spouse.
Family.
Wala na siya open work permit. So that's why solo applicant na lang. So good thing for Rush and her family, they're so blessed kay pagid sila. Naka-timing pagid sila before the policy before the policy change. So
kana rin natay faith, have faith nga God will sustain us, makalahutay ra jud ta diri, mapahimutang ra jud ta diri, wala ta kabalo what will happen in the next coming months, years, but we are certain that we have a certain God, we have a faithful God, and where He guides, where He leads people, He will provide, He will lead. So sa mga tanang ga struggle, it's part of our story. Be faithful in little things, be joyful, be grateful every single day. So di maka-comfortable, pero once the Lord will see your heart na you're joyful, you're grateful, you're faithful, He will bless you. Okay? He is very faithful. He is faithful to His promises, and He is a promise keeper, and di ta pasagdaan ni Lord. So thank you, Ren, for sharing. Please like and subscribe.